Okay, so we're going to unlock this device, since it has a screen lock and is also linked to a Gmail account. In this video tutorial, we're going to use a completely PC-free method that will give you access to the home screen so we can recover our cell phone. One way to do this is without using a PC. This is a completely up-to-date method, and we'll explain all the steps so you can do it too. First of all, to do this process, we recommend watching the video tutorial without skipping ahead so you don't miss any details and we can solve this recovery problem. With all that said, the first thing we're going to do is turn off our phone. Let's see if we can turn it off. We'll press the power button and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. It will turn off automatically. We'll press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Let's see if we can enter recovery mode. We release the buttons and press them again. This will allow us to enter recovery mode. First of all, we need to enter recovery mode too. Make the following configurations so we can get back to the home screen and recover our device in one of the easiest and fastest ways, without needing a PC. It's a completely PC-free method. We're going to press the power button, the volume down button, and turn off the phone. Now, we're going to press the power button and then the volume down button to enter the secret menu of our Motorola. We're going to press the volume down button where it says recovery mode. Then we'll wait until it takes us to the Android logo. When we're at the Android logo, we're going to do the following. Press the power button, then the volume up button. Then release the volume up and power buttons as if pressing a button. Then we'll scroll down to where it says Wipe Data, Factory Reset. With the power button, we're going to press Factory Data Reset again. This will reset our phone. Then we're going to do it. Power button and select Factory Data Reset. We're going to do this a third time. We're resetting our device, and now, using the first option with the power button, we're going to restart our phone. When the logo appears, we're going to press it. Hold. Then, we're going to go directly to the home screen. To bypass the Google account in one of the easiest and fastest ways, which is without needing a PC. It's a completely PC-free method. Now that we're at this point, we can release the volume down button and let our phone start up correctly. We also want to mention that in the video description and in the first pinned comment, you'll find other fully updated methods. Now, we're going to click here on Start. If we have a SIM card entered on the phone, I recommend removing it. We're going to click here. Now, this function will appear. You're going to select Skip, and then you're going to select Continue Offline. We select Continue Offline, then Accept and Continue. Then, Next, then Accept, and finally, Skip. We jump, we wait a few seconds, we click on Jump, we click on Next. Next, here we are going to click on Finish.